Welcome to our channel, where we explore topics that inspire and uplift. Today, we embark on a journey into the captivating world of terrariums, a journey that unveils the transformative magic they hold. Join us as we delve into the art of creating these miniature ecosystems and discover how they can bring positivity, serenity, and a touch of nature's wonder into our lives. Terrariums have a captivating beauty that enchants all who behold them. Within these miniature worlds enclosed in glass, lush greenery thrives, creating a sense of tranquility that permeates the air. The intricate designs, vibrant colors, and mesmerizing arrangements transform a simple glass container into a living work of art. But terrariums are not just visually stunning, they also hold scientific significance. These miniature ecosystems demonstrate the delicate balance of moisture, light, and airflow that enables plants to thrive in enclosed spaces. They provide a unique opportunity to witness the principles of photosynthesis, as well as the natural recycling of water within these self-contained environments. Crafting your own terrarium oasis is a rewarding endeavor. It starts with selecting the perfect glass vessel, considering its shape, size, and transparency. Layering becomes essential, as nutrient-rich soil and drainage materials create a solid foundation for your plants to flourish. With care and attention to detail, you can create a harmonious arrangement that brings your terrarium to life. Choosing the right plants for your terrarium is another crucial aspect. Delicate ferns, vibrant mosses, and resilient succulents are well suited to thrive within these unique environments. Understanding their care requirements and creating a balanced arrangement will ensure the long-term success and beauty of your terrarium. Nurturing and maintaining your terrarium becomes an ongoing journey. Proper lighting and watering are key to sustaining its vitality. By tending to your miniature ecosystem, you not only ensure its well-being, but also experience the joy and fulfillment that comes from caring for nature. The positive power of terrariums extends beyond their aesthetic appeal. They offer therapeutic benefits that promote well-being and reduce stress. How these miniature wonders have transformed lives, bringing positivity and serenity into the homes and hearts of people worldwide. Terrariums are portals to a world of nature's wonder, a reminder that even in our urban lives, we can create spaces that nurture our connection with the natural world. They invite us to embrace the transformative magic they hold and bring positivity into our lives. So join us on this incredible journey through the magic of terrariums. Let their captivating beauty and positive energy uplift your spirit. Share your experiences, creations, and thoughts in the comments below. And remember, may your terrariums be filled with the abundance of nature's wonder, allowing positivity to bloom in your life.